Hi all, today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Chanel card holder. I've got request from Style for Life. I will link her channel down below. Both of these SLG I use as my small compact wallet. This one is called Classic Card Holder on Chanel website. Mine is in black caviar leather with gold hardware, and it is in the regular size, not with a back pocket. This one is called Classic CP Coin Purse. Mine also in black caviar leather with gold hardware, and the dimension on both of these is almost the same. The width on this one is around 4.4 inches, and on this one is around 4.3 inches. The height is the same, it's around 2.9 inches in height, and the depth is the same, around 0.8 inches. This is the size comparison on both. On the side and bottom, and this one is only slightly wider than this one. Just like this. I believe both of these are in Chanel permanent line, and I've got the most classic one, the most classic combo, the black and gold hardware. Now on to this one. It is open with one snap button. It has one slip pocket on the front and one compartment on the back, lined in fabric, and on the front here also lined in fabric in this part and in this part too. And mine is made in Italy. The inside lining is burgundy, and this CP looks like this. On the inside it has 3 compartments here, all lined in fabric lining, and on the back here it's Chanel made in Italy tag, and this is the authenticity number, serial number, and this one serial number is on this side. About the price, I just checked. This one is around $600 US, and this one is around $550 US. So now I will show you what fits inside this one first. I already filled them up to the max for my standard, so they look like this. Usually I don't bring this much with me. Just for the purpose of this video, I will show you what these two can carry at maximum capacity. Now we go with this one first. Looks like this after I fill it up. It's not so bad. On the front slip pocket here, I put 2 cards, usually my ID cards and my ATM cards. And on the compartment here, I put around 8 cards in the front. And this is my bills. It's just the plain paper I cut into my bill size. It's around 15 bills here, and also I can put my coins here, but not too many. I have around 5 coins. That is the maximum amount I will go for this one. And for this particular SLG, I have to fold my bills. Of course, if you have bigger bills than my bills, then you have to fold them 3 times like this, and then you can put them there. If you don't bring any cash with you, sure, you can bring more cards, more than 10 like me, and put it on the back here. But me, I usually cannot go without any cash, because where I live we usually use more cash than cards. So that is for this card holder. Now for this one, this classic CP coin purse, it is a bit chunky after I fill it up, but usually I don't bring this much with me, only to show you the maximum amount that I can put inside this one. Opens with the zipper, and the zipper is smooth on this one. You can see the side here looks like this, and on the back side I have my 15 bills also my coins, around 5 coins, not too much because I carry a lot of cards in here. And on the middle part I have 8 cards, 4 over here and 4 over here. I put them like that so the gazette can close nicely. And on the front part here I have 7 cards total. Inside 15 cards, 15 bills and 5 coins. That is the most I can carry in this little one. They both works perfectly as a small compact wallet for me. Both are my favorites. I love them because they are small and compact obviously, and even though I stuff them, they still quite slim, not too bulky. If you ask me which one would I prefer, if I can only choose one, or which one would I recommend to you, I will go with this one for sure. It has been my favorite for many years for compact wallet. As you can see, even if I stuff it, it still looks fairly slim and compact, of course. So I will pick this one any day. But this one is also a good choice because the look reminiscence of Chanel Classic Flap. From the look, it is prettier than this one in my opinion, and also it is slim as well. They both took the same space on my every bag, so that is not a problem if you are thinking about space on your bags for your wallet. These two takes almost the same space, and these two very classic and durable. Both are great choice if you are thinking of getting one. Only this one can fit a bit more. I think that's all for my comparison today. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon, guys. Bye.